more than a year ago, we were looking for the interiors for this house, and we went to the model apartment here. It was okay, but KP here is a perfectionist. So then we went with a couple of more. Then we visited their sites and we were not happy. Someone recommended Elemmentz to us. I think ours must have been the longest design phase. I think it was almost 4 months.
Yeah, so basically what happens is if I go to someone's house, the first thing I notice is, okay, the house is well done. But as and when we spend time there, we keep visiting again often. So we start looking into the flaws. Okay, there's something that could have been done better.
For me, it's the color. Like, it should not be like too many gaudy things or too much happening in the one corner.
So everything is done up to perfection. So that's something Elemmentz is doing a very great job. Your team has really skilled professionals. Your work speaks for yourself.